analyze big data sets. So with a little bit of Python code, which you can get with ChatGPT, it can give you actual code, and then you can run it, pull out data from Yahoo Finance in flat files, CSV files, and you feed those files into ChatGPT, and you ask questions, and you can get fast responses. It usually may take a minute, but you get a response. So what you see on my screen, this is where I analyzed two different strategies for Google stock trading. Actually tried many different ones, but these two actually I think the best from what I found. So this yellow line represents buy and hold. So in essence, you buy stocks on day one, last 10 years ago, and you just hold it, and this your results. I mean, pretty impressive returns. It's 8 times of your initial investing over a 10 years period. This blue line, it's an alternative strategy. In this case, you buy stocks at quarter end and you sell them before earning release, and you invest in SPY, in SP 500 stock, and then you wait for next quarter and you repeat. I mean, that way you kind of stay safe, because SPY is much safer alternative to Google. Google can go up and down much more frequently than SP 500. And you can see this blue line, this blue strategy actually is, while it trails behind buy and hold in the beginning, then it actually beats it, and then it goes step and step, and then it actually gets better, right? So it's a much better alternative. One caveat, this month we saw Google stock prices going up a lot, right? Like on August, you can see stock price was around 200. Now we're sitting at 251. Whoa, I mean, that's quite a return, right? And then question is, do you still try to use this strategy? And ask ChatGPT to look at other instances in history in the last 10 years to see what happened to Google stock prices when they suddenly increased in the last months of a quarter by more than 10%. What happened afterwards? And you see, it didn't happen many times. It was ChatGPT was able to find 3 different scenarios where it happened in the past, and it developed this graph. You can see it's still actually going up. And they asked for some additional data points, different tables, different analysis. And in the end, ChatGPT is still recommending actually to follow that same strategy. Buy in the last day of the quarter, or maybe day before, and then sell day before earnings release. And on this chart, we can see that, what happened when stock prices increased tremendously, what happened afterwards. Again, this is just 3 cases when it happened in the past, but stock prices still actually increased afterwards, which is good, which is impressive. Again, the purpose of this video is to show you how to use ChatGPT to analyze big data sets. You get data from whatever source you have. It can be accounting data, financial data, it can be stock prices data. If you feed it into ChatGPT, you ask right questions, you test different theories, you research those theories beforehand. ChatGPT can offer some ideas, advices. It can move prices around and can try different strategies and can look at different price points, dates, and suggest give you different ideas. But it's quite powerful tool, so highly recommend it. Good luck. Go to LedgerSummit.com if you have any questions. Thank you. Bye.